Tezos XTZ against BTC. So if you look at Tezos, okay, Tezos will be a gift for you. I think I mentioned this before, but anyway, Tezos doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Tezos, when it came in onto the scene, right, in 2017, there was a lot of controversy happening in Tezos. But anyway, after we burst into the scene, Tezos has just been nothing but a downer. We still don't see any clear signs of a proper bullish reversal yet. We don't even know if this could be the very bottom, and we could be building something as we head higher for Tezos. We don't know that for Tezos against BTC. We're still bearish. We're still under the skinny pink line. We made several attempts to break higher, but it all ends in failure, right? There was a beautiful, I was actually in this. There was a very beautiful inverse head and shoulders that came for Tezos BTC. We were anticipating Tezos to go really, really high, but it didn't. What happened? We dropped instead. Sadly, right, there was consolidation right above the support, but we broke the support. It's like, what? Yeah, so this is what you call a chart pattern failure. It happens more often than you think. So that's why you must have a very good risk management strategy. When things go wrong, what is your exit strategy? How are you going to get out of the trade, right, if things go wrong? Yeah, but anyway, point being, it's just been on a downer. It's not good, but things could be about to change. So Tezos against USD, we look at it on Coinbase. Tezos, we had a target over here at 80 cents. Ta-da! I think I have to update the target on Twitter. 80 cents. We've hit 80 cents. Right now we are in a downer. How much lower are we gonna go? We don't know. We're gonna do this. We can do this as well, to be honest. Here. Okay, let's just stick with this. I think we're in a falling wedge of sorts. Again, the question we always ask is this the bottom? Is this the bottom for Tezos, right? 65 cents? Are we going to breach 60 cents? There is some support over here though, right? So this will be around 56 cents. Yeah, so from where we are to 56 is 29%. Oh my god. I don't know if we're going to be heading that low or not, or we're going to start reversing from here. But Tezos, we're anticipating it to complete, just like Bitcoin Cash, complete a very nice ABCDE as we break higher, right? This could be beautiful, brilliant as Tezos heads higher. And if we were to see something like this, right, and we were to see a proper consolidation, a proper breakout for Tezos, where is our target? Let me just reveal to you a secret. Ta-da! Our target is $130 for Tezos, but it's going to be in 1 or maybe 2 years or maybe even 3 years before we head towards the target. Will we or will we not? Again, we're not too sure. We don't see any clear sign of a reversal yet, right? So if we were to switch over to the weekly and we were to anticipate the same amount of time, let's say for example, we got a wave B, and how long did we take from bottom to top? 1,000 days. So let's say for example, we take another 1,000 days up, right? We get a very nice wave E and we have a proper breakout. So this could only probably this might only come in the year 2028. It might not be now. So 2028 is like 5 years time, right? The next Bitcoin halving, then only Tezos starts rising. Potentially. Again, we're not entirely sure, but we have the target over here of $130 for Tezos. So yeah, we're expecting big things though. However, if we take out these lows, we will consider this as gone. 130 is gone. So this low of 32 cents must hold. We must hold the door at 32 cents. We're at 81 cents. Still, we still have some distance to go. But again, we still don't see any clear signs of a proper reversal yet. We're still under the skinny pink line, so the bias is still bearish for Tezos against USD. And yeah, we're going to have to wait for the whales of Tezos to do their thing. Once we see some sort of a clear bullish reversal, then yeah, we might consider jumping into Tezos. But again, we're not too sure if this is the bottom. And if you were to continue to head lower, right, form another lower low, the question we always ask is, where is the low? Where is the low? Is it going to be 60 cents? Is it going to be 55 cents? Are we going to zip all the way down to 50 cents? We're not too sure ourselves. And even if you were to head towards 50 cents, is there any guarantees that we're going to start reversing back up? No guarantees at all. Again, let me just show you some clear examples, right? NEM, right? If you look at NEM, no, ZEM USDT, right? ZEM USD. Is it on Polo? Okay, look at it on crypto. If you look at ZEM, wait. If you look at ZEM, right, ZEM, it had a beautiful potential to form a very nice ABCD. Let me just show you what I mean. Okay, if you look over here, right, even when we were here, we were remaining hopeful that we will see some sort of a reversal back up, right? But you know what happened? We dropped lower. We took out these lows. So it's invalidated. It's gone. It's gone. No guarantees. There's no guarantees in trading. Could we just start reversing from it? Of course. But we want to see squeezes. We want to see lower highs and higher lows. And then we want to see a very nice breakout coming on, right? Let me show you another chart pattern failure. EOS is another one, right? If you look over here, very nice potential. A, B, C, right? We were hoping this would happen. It did not come. What happened instead? We dropped lower. You see, it just dropped lower and lower and lower. It's like, hey, Dan Larimer, what are you doing? Oh my God. So EOS just keeps dropping lower and lower. Oh my God. Yeah. So going back to where we are for Tezos, right? No guarantees. There's just no guarantees. Tezos might just do a NEMZEM. It also might do a EOS, right? And hit lower. I mean, our hope is that Tezos starts reversing, but no guarantees, right? Let me give you a very good example as well. Bitcoin Cash is the best example. If you look at Bitcoin Cash, right? Look at this. Right, A, B, C, zip up. You see that? We didn't take out these lows. We were already so close to taking out these lows. So apparently, this was already the low. And we never took out this low at all. And that's it. We zipped higher. Right. So we're also anticipating Bitcoin Cash to complete a beautiful, beautiful symmetrical ABCDE and just hit higher. But again, like we were saying, this might take several years. You know, it might not happen in 2024. It might not even happen in 2025. It might only happen in 2028. Right. If we were to, again, plot this in a very proportionally pleasant manner, right? Proportionately pleasant. 2028. You see this? Yeah. If you want to plot it in a very disproportionately unpleasant manner, you can just do something like this, right? It doesn't make sense, right? So I think more likely than not, there should be a long accumulation period for Bitcoin Cash before it hits higher. We might zip up, but again, I would still expect a proper accumulation before continuing higher for Bitcoin Cash, right? So yeah, that's my take for Tezos. I just want to let you know that there is a potential for Tezos, right? If and when it breaks 130. If you were to make a move now at 80 cents, right, this would be a 150x, 15,600%. Crazy stuff. 1,000 gets you 100,000. 10,000 gets you 1.5 mil. Crazy stuff, right? So again, we're not entirely sure how much lower, right? We might be able to get it lower, right? And but of course, things can always go wrong as well when we take out these lows, right? So yeah, let's approach things one step at a time, right? We are feeling optimistic. We know long term Tezos has huge potential, but we're gonna have to proceed with things cautiously, right? This was 25th of July yesterday. 25th of July 2023. We have a target over here at 130. So yeah, but it could take several years. There you go. All right, I guess that's it for today's top layer 1 coins. We've already done 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!